I'm Ryan, and my first test that I did was a 166, and then the one I just did now was a 175. I did a few like first lessons with a few different companies, and I think it was just the tutor that I got matched up with Prep for Success really spoke to me. I mean, the way that she was able to explain the concepts and kind of relate to the same way that I thought about the problems was very similar. And for other companies, I guess when I was working with them, it was kind of just shortcuts and strategies. But when I was speaking with Dade, my tutor, is that she really helped me kind of understand things on a deeper level. I think it was very much a personal touch. Like Dade, especially for me, she was like always available. Any questions, making a personalized plan for me, really understanding my strengths as well as, especially when it gets like that high level between like the 170 to 175, is very much about like nitpicking little things. It wasn't like the major problems. And so for me, that's where I was struggling to do it on my own, and being able to work with her, she was able to help me identify those types of things and help me give me the practice and skills that I needed in order to work on that.